Hello everyone, this is Joanne Charles of Island Girl Lifestyle and I'm coming to you with a video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to style a beautiful romantic Valentine's Day tablescape using non-traditional colors. So I decided to use pink and blue. So here, as you can see, I have blue wine glasses, a beautiful centerpiece, candles, and rose petals. So this tablescape was very inexpensive. I used Dollar Tree items. For instance, this beautiful tablescape, I used roses from the Dollar Tree, and the silk rose petals were also from the Dollar Tree. So let's talk about the table setting. So the placemat was from Savers. As you can see here, a beautiful lace placemat. The charger was from Michael's, which was on sale. The dinner plate was from Walmart, Pioneer Woman. The glasses are from Dollar Tree. The napkins are from Walmart. So let's talk about the centerpiece. So I decided to cascade some silk rose petals to form a runner. The bouquet on above were roses from the Dollar Tree. Candles, I added candles for ambiance. So this is the perfect romantic tablescape for two. I also added some succulents to the bouquet to add some greenery. Believe it or not, the vase is actually a DIY. I painted the vase white, then I added some blue paint, and I kind of made a marble effect. The napkin rings were also a DIY. The napkin rings are a Pottery Bond dupe. And following, I will have a easy but short tutorial on how I made the napkin rings. So here is a closer view of the tablescape. Beautiful and inexpensive. So let's begin the tutorial. So here I brought some jute. I had this plastic napkin ring and this succulent. These items can be found at the Dollar Tree. You will also need scissors and a glue gun. So let's begin. So here I cut some jute. So basically I'm just going to wrap the jute string around the napkin. It's very easy. Just place a little bit of glue at the back, inside of the napkin ring, and all you're gonna do is just wrap it around. Once you get to the end, just secure it with a little bit of glue and you're all set. So here I've finished wrapping the napkin ring with the jute. So it gives a really nice rustic look to it. I actually like it like this. So here I'm just going to remove the succulent, and I'm just going to cut the stem off so it's easier to glue the succulent to the napkin ring. I actually got this idea from looking at the Pottery Barn website, and I believe they're selling 4 napkin rings for $22. So here's the finished product. All you have to do is add a napkin and you're all set. I hope you enjoyed this very short tutorial, easy but short tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and leave a comment. Please leave a comment. Tell me what you like about this tablescape, and please leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. This is Joanne Charles of Island Girl Lifestyle. Bye.